This is Michael Good from reapertrades.com with another daily trade recap on September 28th, 2009. What you see before you is a chart of Rodham, RODM, Rodman and Renshaw. They are a penny stock investment bank. And yes, that is as scummy as it sounds. It broke to new highs, not yesterday, early in the morning, hit 580 about. And you look at the multi-day chart, it broke its previous highs from early September, late August right here. That was very bullish. It fell back a bit to 540, 555 really, and consolidated strongly there. Then, as it started to move up again in the afternoon, that was a nice place to buy, right as it broke 560 on the ask. Tim Sykes bought at 565, put out a Tim alert. I bought starting here at 568. My average position was 571, and I sold maybe a minute or so later at 584 for a quick $1,920 on 17,300 shares. Let me go over here and get my trades. Here's my actual trades. So total time I was in this was exactly 58 seconds. Well, no, from last buy to first sell was 58 seconds. So a minute and 2 seconds for my first buy. So very quick trade. And normally I would like to hold on to some of this because it is a nice trade, but I can't refuse free money. And if somebody wants to buy this at 585, less than a minute after it was going for 565, when nothing has changed other than Tim Sykes' Tim alert has come out, then I'm glad to give them that, because I don't think it's going to keep going straight up like that. When it fell back again here, you could have bought there again, and if it hadn't been for the Tim alert spike, it probably would have been more gradual. So something like this, like those sound effects. Oh yeah. So I mean, it's like if somebody comes to your door and they say, hey, want some free money? All you have to do is do 10 jumping jacks right now. It's like, okay, I'll do that. I'd rather have free money than have to think about doing a real trade and have real risk. So that's that. Other trades on the day. Luna was on my watch list. I was distracted with EMGE, Emergent Health, this morning. Otherwise, it would have been great to buy it right out of the open or right here as it broke its previous morning's high. And I bought it here as it broke 3, and I sold quickly thereafter. So that was a crappy entry, and because of that I went in very small. So my other trade was in Emergent Health. I did find some shares to short 1,000, and I made $490 on it after commissions. So not the happiest with Emergent overall. I still lost something like $1,000 on it net from today and last Friday. And there really is no excuse for that. I had the shares last Friday, and I should have waited until it looked like it was fading rather than just shorting when Tim Sykes shorted. So that's it for the trade recap for the day. And remember, people, please, if you're watching this and you're a subscriber to Tim Sykes' Tim Alerts or any other alert service, and a good trader buys a stock at, I don't know, $5 a share, and then the stock quickly jumps to $5.20, maybe you should think that that stock is not quite as good a buy then. And maybe you should think on holding off on buying that because your risk reward is a lot worse. Your potential risk is maybe 20 cents worse, and your potential reward is 20 cents worse as well. So it's not worth it. Do some thinking for yourselves, people, and just don't blindly follow a good trader without considering the price you're paying. So that's it for this time. Check me out tomorrow, reapertrades.com.